Hi there.
I'm Michelle.
Hi, Michelle. I'm Bill.
Nice to meet you, Bill. Have a seat.
Thank you.
So, you're here today for your assessment?
Yes,
And you know a little bit about it?
not a lot. It's to do with manual handling, isn't it?
It is. It's actually a workplace requirement that we give you manual handling training and then assess you to make sure you are competent. So today, we're going to conduct your manual handling assessment. But before we start, I'm going to give you a pre-assessment briefing so that you know what to expect during the assessment.
Okay.
So how did your manual handling training go?
It was good. It all made sense. I've done manual handling training before, so it wasn't anything new.
That's great to hear. So what I'll do now is explain the assessment process to you. If you have any questions, just stop me at any time. As I mentioned previously, it is a requirement of the organisation that you go through manual handling training and are then assessed before you can start your role. The assessment process has two parts. The first part is a set of oral questions and the second part is a practical demonstration. There are 6 oral questions. I'll ask you each question and then get you to give me a response, and as you answer, I'll take some notes. After we've done that, we'll move on to the practical component of the assessment. This will be done in the factory and will involve you having to lift and move a load using correct manual handling techniques. I'll explain to you in more detail exactly what you need to do before we get started. Once you've completed the practical demonstration, I'll give you some feedback on how you went.
That sounds fine.
Now, to be deemed competent, you need to receive a satisfactory result for both components of the assessment. If by chance that doesn't happen, for example, if you answer some questions incorrectly or you miss some steps in the practical demonstration, I'll give you feedback at the end of the assessment process and you'll have the opportunity to be reassessed.
Okay.
If you disagree with my assessment judgment, you have the right to appeal. If you wish to do that, just let me know, and at that point I'll explain the steps you need to take.
Okay.
Is there anything that might stop you being able to undertake the assessment today? Are you reasonably fit? No injury concerns?
No, I should be fine.
So how do you feel? Are you ready and happy to be assessed?
I'm a little bit nervous, but the training went well, so as long as it's all based on that, I should be fine.
It will. It'll link to that exactly. And if you have any questions or concerns during the assessment process, just let me know.
Thank you, I will.
All right then, let's get started.